In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add block in Constant Contact. To get started, open the email you are working on in the editor. Make sure you are inside the email editing view where you can see your template and the editing tools around it. This is important because blocks can only be added while you are actively editing the email layout. Once your email is open in the editor, look to the left-hand panel. This is where Constant Contact keeps the building tools you use to design your message. Find and click the tab labeled Blocks. When you select Blocks, the panel will switch to show the different content elements you can add to your email. These are the pieces that make up your design, such as text, images, buttons, and other common options. Now take a moment to locate the specific block type you want to add. For example, choose text if you need to add a new paragraph or section of copy, choose image if you want to place a photo or graphic, or choose button if you want to add a clear call to action. You may also see layout options, such as columns. Layout blocks are helpful when you want to organize content side by side, like placing an image next to text, or creating a 2 or 3 column section for a cleaner structure. Picking the right block first will save you time later and helps your email stay consistent. When you have found the block or layout you want, click and hold it with your mouse, then drag it from the left panel into your email template. As you move it over the email, you will see an indicator showing where the block can be placed. Keep dragging until you reach the exact area where you want the new content to appear, whether that is near the top, between 2 existing sections, or closer to the bottom. Pay close attention to the pink line that appears in the template. This line is your placement guide. When the pink line is positioned exactly where you want the block inserted, release the mouse button. Constant Contact will drop the block into that spot, and your new section will appear in the email. And that covers everything you need to know.